Hi there, welcome to Daily Learning Idioms. Today I have decided to share some of the idioms with you because on my YouTube channel, which name is Grammar Professional, I made one playlist by the name of Daily Learning Idioms. So far I did not add any of the video regarding idioms. As a matter of fact, I was concentrating more on grammar lesson because grammar is more important than idiom. Believe you me, if you have little bit idea regarding grammar, then idioms, phrasal verbs and vocabularies will be a piece of cake for you. Today's our topic is idioms. The majority of people might think that what are the idioms? We have heard so far about phrasal verbs and vocabularies. But what are the idioms? Let me remove this peculiarity for yourself. A combination of words which come together and gives a special meaning, we call them idiom. Just like a piece of cake, it means something which is very easy to do. This was our first idiom. Second idiom is hold your horses. A lot of people think that it means wait a minute because they do not know the actual meaning. They are just cutting the corners. Its actual meaning is it is used to tell somebody that they should wait a minute and not to be so excited that they do an action without thinking about it first. This one definition is little bit harder. Let me make it simple for you. It means the action which is performed by you. Before doing that action, think about it first. So we would say hold your horses in idiomatic language. Our third idiom is all on your own. As you can see, all is written inside the parenthesis because this all is optional. It's up to you whether you want to use it or omit it. It means alone or without anyone else. Our fourth idiom is all by myself. As you can see, all is written in parentheses, so this all is also optional here. It's up to you whether you want to use it or omit it. It means the same thing, alone or without anyone else. Our last idiom is on the way out. It means as you are leaving, or its second meaning is going out of a fashion. This was our video regarding idioms. I hope you loved this video. If you haven't subscribed so far to my channel on YouTube, go and subscribe to my channel. The picture is over here. I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, goodbye, tata, khuda hafiz.